My name's Emma Mtondo. I started my business of keeping chickens in 2018 here in Ndora, Copperbelt. I started with broadcast ropes, about 200. I started laying eggs. Every day I was able to make 10 trays, 15 trays. Just like that, I sell. I put my eggs in the incubator. I make chicks. I sell chicks. Then as days goes on, I started fried chicken. On top of that, I started again keeping broilers for selling. Then I saw that there was a problem when you are selling, when you are keeping broilers. Sometimes there's a very big loss. So I wanted to change my business again. I went for pure layers that I'm keeping now. As for now, I'm with layers, pure layers. Some are dropping eggs, some have stopped. And on those that have stopped, I'm selling them. They are going at 100 kwacha each. Those that are still laying eggs, I only pick eggs every day, 10 trays, going at 60 kwacha each tray. I sell eggs every day. After selling eggs, I also want to do something again so that my project can go on. As long as I'm in this business, I'm not going to stop it. Right now, if there are people who can join me, I can assist them. I can help them how to run this business. There's no loss, and normally we don't buy medicine from the agro shops. You can even use natural medicines like aloe vera, chili, garlic. You can even buy apple cider vinegar. You put in water. You make your chicks strong so that even when they are dropping eggs, they don't have problems. Even when it's time to eat, they have that appetite. So I think my business as for now, my business, I think there is no problem, not complaining. I'm doing fine. Just as I said, right now I've got layers that have stopped dropping eggs. They are on sale, going at 100 kwacha. If there's anyone who wants to buy chickens direct from the poultry, you can reach me on these two numbers that I'm going to give you. It's 0978 111 350. 0978 111 350. Another one, 0978 0888 06. 0978 0888 06. And if there's anyone who wants advice from me, you can also reach me on those numbers. I can teach you how to start your business from day one day, chicken, up to where you want to start selling them, or when you want to start them laying eggs. I can still help you on a small amount, but I will not disclose that amount here. We can talk when you come.